Good wonderful morning or good evening, baby shower host. It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to create a dinosaur printable baby shower game. So if you're having a dinosaur baby shower themed event, you're going to want these games, okay? Also, before I show you how to make these printable baby shower games completely for free using only free tools, I want to let you know that I already have pre-made dinosaur baby shower games down below, all professionally made, 12 in total, plus custom bonuses such as, of course, the answer keys, cutouts, dinosaur baby shower banners, baby shower recipes, and RSVP guides. Okay, we get that down below. And also with the coupon code YouTube, you save $1. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. And first thing you're gonna need is your dinosaur. So you want to go to Pixabay. Okay, Pixabay is a database, excuse me, of images, right? So you want to put in dinosaur, really important. Okay, now after you put in dinosaur, you don't want to start searching. You want to go to the image section here. Check it out, image section, and you're gonna want to click. You want to go to vector graphics because they're easier to work with, and a lot of times they don't have backgrounds, and you don't want a dinosaur with a background because then you have to remove the background. So I already went ahead and downloaded this little dinosaur dude, and I got him right here. So this now takes us to the next part of our tutorial on how to create dinosaur baby shower games. You want to go to Canva. Canva, there's a free and paid version. You don't need, again, let me repeat, you don't need the paid version to do this, okay? Now, if you live in Europe or somewhere else other than the United States, then you want A4, okay? But if you live in the US, you want US letter document. Okay? US letter document, this will print out perfectly on your printer at home, okay? Once you have this white background here, you want to go to uploads, and you want to upload the dinosaur that we just downloaded. Let's find that dinosaur. Where are ya? Upload it. Okay, now we upload that dinosaur. We want to create our baby shower template first. Okay, so you want to go to elements, and you want to use a square. You can always type in square here to pull up a square. Okay, so once you have your square, actually with your background, you want to color your background first. Let's make it a dark green. So you want to click this color button here and make that dark. Okay, cool, like that. And then we're gonna make this into a light green. So we're gonna, again, click the colors here and go to light, like that, and move it out to the ends of the template. Everything is drag and drop. You don't need any graphic design skills whatsoever. I promise you, it's that simple, okay? Now I'm just showing you a quick little example here for your template, okay? Now that you have this, you want to put in another square and start extending that towards the top. This is where you're going to put in your actual game. Okay, again, if you don't want to create your own games, you can get these pre-made games down here, okay? Dinosaur baby shower games. All of them are proven to entertain your guests. Okay, now that we have our template here, we want to put in our character. Our dinosaur character, boom. Slap him in there and drop him towards the bottom. Now again, in Pixabay, you have, I'm no longer there, but at Pixabay, you have a wide range of dinosaur characters you can use. So don't feel like you have to stick with the same one I'm using because there are so many here. Okay, back to the tutorial. Now we should create our game. We should create a very simple game first. Let's go with text first. Drop in the text. Change the text to maybe a dark green. Change the font. Everything, again, very simple to do. Let's use this one here. Let's see what it looks like. I'm liking that, very dinosaur-like. And let's make our first game. Who knows mom best? And bring her up, and we want to increase the size. Okay, let's make it 80. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's not bad. I'm going to I'm gonna change the line height. So I'm gonna go to spacing, see the line height, and bring her up so it's more uniform. Very good. And now I'm gonna start adding questions. Okay. You know what? I also want to change the letter spacing, so I'm gonna like that. Okay, very good. So it's easier to read. I'm gonna add in some text, make this into a gray. I'm gonna change the font into, let's try this one here. Okay, so you can start asking questions, right, that your guests will know, or some of them should know, right? You don't want to make it too easy. Maybe the first 3 or 4 questions make them easy, but then after that you make it more difficult. So let's ask a simple question. How old is the mom to be? Question. Let's extend that out, and let's shrink the font size. How old is a mom to be? And make a next question here. Let's say how did she meet the dad to be? Like that. You want to align it, of course. And the great thing about Canva is it'll align it for you. Next question. What's her favorite food? And so forth. You want to continue on. You can, of course, shrink the font size so you can add in more questions, and yeah, you can add as many as you want. Okay. The cool thing about this is you can click the copy button and just start creating more games using the same exact template. So everything's nice and uniform. Now, again, if you want to get everything done for you in a more professionally done manner, everything's pre-made down below. Again, it comes with custom bonuses with banners as well. So you can get that plus the coupon code. Just put in YouTube at checkout and you can get all this stuff. So I hope you liked this little tutorial on how to create your Dinosaur Baby Shower game set. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you again. Be good. Bye-bye.